How to create a business card using Canva. Canva is a fantastic platform for creating professional designs, and business cards are no exception. This guide will show you how to use Canva on your computer or phone to design stunning business cards that leave a lasting expression. First of all, head over to www.canva.com and search for business card in the search bar. Canva offers a wide variety of free and paid business card templates to jumpstart your design process. If you have a specific vision in mind, choose the blank template to design your business card from scratch. Replace the placeholder text with your contact information, name, title, company, website, email and phone number, and add your company logo if you have one. You can adjust fonts, sizes and colors to match your brand identity. And for the background, you can choose a background color or an image that complements your design and represents your brand's personality. For Canva elements, Canva offers a library of free and paid design elements like icons, shapes, and illustrations, so explore these elements to add visual interest to your business card and make it stand out. Once you're happy with your design, click download and choose a high-resolution file format, for example PNG for printing, or you can directly print from Canva. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.